Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can put up walls in House Flipper. Now if you do want to add walls on your house that is spacious enough for you to add a wall to it, just go over to your tool by pressing down right click and then go over to the option build walls right here. Now if you want to place down this wall, just go over to any position in the house, let's say here in the corner, and then just hold down left click. Wait for the bar to completely fill up, and then you have placed down the wall. However, unfortunately, you can only place this up one by one, unless if you have upgraded your perk. Press down tab to open up your tablet and go over to the perks option here at the bottom. And then you'll be able to find the building part right here, and over to the right you can see the one-man crew, which says here that you can build 3 walls at once, can build 5 walls at once, and then can build max amount of walls in a line. Now to give you the full effects of the one-man crew right here, I'm just gonna go over to build wall right here, and then use your scroll wheel. While you're looking at it, it's going to expand to the left and right. And you can just scroll your scroll wheel all the way here, until eventually it reaches a maximum line, until eventually it collides with something else. So if you want to add this modularly, you can just go over with just 1, some 2, or 3 or 4 or 5 until eventually it goes all over to the other side. Let me demonstrate it by here. Let me hold on left click. And as you can see, it made that wall. Now, unfortunately, I don't think there is a way to build a wall outside the property, so I can't really help with that aspect. And that's pretty much about it on how to build a wall in House Flipper.